Welcome back to our channel. I'm Ethan.
I'm William.
And today we'll be cooking some seafood Korean pancakes.
Yeah.
And if you can see in the back, we are getting ready for Christmas.
I got an egg. Let's take a look at our ingredients. I got an egg, and I got a second egg again. I got some water. I got some Korean pancake mixture. I got some oil, some sesame oil, and a gigantic bowl to stir in.
So I got some salt, black pepper, squid, shrimp, and chives.
And an egg.
Let's start cooking. Let's start off with 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of water.
I got an egg.
Flour? Okay. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna scoop it. Say that. Oh yeah, just say that. That's 1 cup.
Okay, I think that's enough.
No.
Dude, that's enough. Now I'm adding the world.
William, be careful. You don't want to spill it all out. Alright, time to whisk it.
I want to mix it.
Alright, let me get it in nice consistency for us.
Ethan's mixing it. As you can see, it looks kind of like a little cake or something. It's a little bit thick, so I'm going to add more water. Just getting the now picture, so we did a little stirring earlier.
So we need to also add some salt and black pepper.
Okay, I'm going to add black pepper first.
You go first.
Add the whole thing. We'll start mixing it now.
There you go. Now we're gonna add these. Well, yeah, the chives.
Oh yeah, the chive.
Oh, your turn.
More shrimp. Shrimpy time.
Good. Time to mix it.
Okay, it might be a little bit more hard.
Cooking the pancakes now. Okay. Oh God. Okay. Add yours, William.
Yeah, I'll make one now.
I don't think so. While we're making his, we have to wait for the pancake to be crisping up before we flip it.
Okay, I'm trying to make mine into a circle right now.
Let's see. Oh God. Oh no, William messed up. I messed up real bad. I forgot to add the eggs on, so I'm gonna add it on right now.
Okay, yeah, me too. I didn't forget. I just.
Oh God. Oh no.
It flew off.
Oh, this is test. I mix it all around.
You want the pancake to be
Crispy?
Add some.
Want to eat healthy? Don't add too much oil. Just add like a little bit. Sesame oil so it tastes a little smell good. Why you drench yours in oil?
Ow!
See, this is what happens.
Yeah.
That's why you don't add so much oil, William. Mine's looking good.
Mine too.
So some Korean pancakes, some that I have are spicy sometimes. Well, for size you can make it small or big. And also we can make it the size from our 2 sauce video. Make sure you go check that out. Okay, William. So you're telling me, so I'm telling you not to flip it many times because it won't cook, but you're still here trying to flip it. Doesn't look golden brown compared to mine because I haven't been flipping mine. So now I'm gonna get me mine, and I'm gonna get William his. Onion, pepper, soy sauce, and sugar, and vinegar. Drop a small piece. Well, let me try a little bit of mine. Hot.
Hot.
It should probably weigh a little bit, but it tastes real good. But maybe it needs a little salt. Or yeah, saltiness. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this soy sauce. try it now. This is really easy to make, so you should try it. But you can add anything you want on it, depending on what you like. If you go to a Korean store, they might have a pre-made packet mix to make. But yeah, it's real good. This is the one that we use. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And make sure you hit that notification bell.
Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye.
See you another day. Now eat it. Yeah, take a bite. You like it?
You like it, Sophia, or you hate it? Aww.